Hello everyone, in the previous tutorial we have seen about text colors and background colors. Now we will see about adding images, how to add images. For that, let's start with this tutorial. I just kept some text, just run this before starting. If you want to add a image here, just actually for adding images we need to use a package called graphics, which helps us to include images. So let's use that graphics. This is the package we need to use. In this we use the letter X in this spelling, graphics. And next, include the image here. The command to include the image is include graphics. We will see here. Yeah, for adding images we will use the package called graphics, and the syntax for that is we will \include graphics. Next we will define the sizes or scaling, and then we will use the image name, only image name. We won't specify what was the format of image, just we will use the name image which was name of the image which was saved in our system. And another thing is the image and the latex file which we are saving should be in the same folder, which is maybe a desktop or any folder. It should, both the latex document we are preparing and image should be in the same file. So you can define width, we can define height, we can define both, and we can define angle also, and then we can also scale this directly. Let's try with all this. Let's first say the image, my image. Actually it was saving in this text document, is saving in the home, and there I was having the image, my image. So let's run this. If you see, we got the image. You cannot you can see that it was looking somewhat odd, right? I mean, the scaling was too big because the actual size of this image is so big. So if you want to get this right, you need to scale this. Let's scale this. Scale is equals to 0.2, make 0.5. let's run this now. You can see the size got decreased. Now also it was some part of image was going out, means now also the size of image is still big, so you need to reduce the scaling still more. See, we got the image in perfect size now. Let's add the same now again. Let's define the width now. Width equal to 5. Include graphics with the wall. Sorry, we should define what was the units. 5 centimeters. See, we got the image with the width 5 centimeters starting from the margin. Similarly, you can use width is equals to line width. The size of the same of the size of line will be the width of the image. I mean, entire page will be the image with respect to width. And next, if you want to use half of the width, just make 0.5 into line width. Then the width will be off to the page. Next, the same thing with, let's see with height. Height is equals to 10 centimeters. You see this image, the which one we added now is with the height of 10 centimeters. Because of this height, the image was some part of image was out of the page, so then we should specify the width also. So let's specify the width is equals to line width. Let's run this. Yeah, you can see with the height of 10 and with the width of my line width, the image was printed. And next you can use the option of angle also. Let's try with. By default, the angle of image is 0 degrees. You are seeing everything is in 0 degrees. Let's define the angle. Angle is equals to 45. So let's run this. You can see now the image is in 45 degrees. You can make this 90. It was in 90 degrees, and similarly you can make this in 190 and 180 degrees to reverse this. See, now the image was in reverse. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you. In the next tutorial we will see about background images, watermark, text, and what background text. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you.